Okay, good morning, welcome to
FamilyMath822.
FamilyMath822. So we have to do kind of a quick project today because you have to get out the door this morning. So because of a conversation I had on Twitter earlier this week, I wanted to go back and revisit Graham's number.
Alright.
What do you know about Graham's number? Or maybe a better question is, what do you remember about Graham's number?
I think I remember some power of 3. I'm not exactly sure how you find that power of 3.
Okay, Graham's number is indeed a power of 3.
It's a solution. I think it's the upper bound to a solution to a problem in Ramsey theory.
Okay.
And its notation is also used in Ramsey theory.
Oh, what is the notation?
It's the up arrow notation.
Yeah. So that was actually kind of a fun thing to talk about. The up arrow notation. But we're not going to talk about that notation today, but that was actually kind of fun to learn about. That was actually a real challenge to talk about when we were talking about the problem. Anybody remember who came up with that up arrow notation?
Numberphile? Or Numberphile talked about it.
Numberphile talked about it. It
I
was.
do not remember.
It was a Stanford computer science professor, Donald Knuth, if I remember correctly. Anything else?
I think one of the largest numbers that it's actually finite. That's been actually used.
Yeah, I think it is one of the largest numbers that's ever been used for anything. But what I remember about how large it is something from an Evelyn Lamb blog post. It's so large that what? What's impressive about how big it is?
I actually don't remember.
Well, I remember that it's big, but we don't know what it is exactly.
Yes, it's so large that we don't know what it is.
We do know the last couple digits.
Yeah, that's true. We do know the last couple digits. That's actually one of the things we're going to talk about today, is how do you find those. But it's so large. Actually, Evelyn Lamb had a funny comment about it. She said it's so large that I don't even know how to describe how large it is. Even describing how large it is impossible because it's so large.
Do we know how many digits it has, approximately?
No, because then you could describe it. So that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about a little bit about how large it is, and then we're going to talk about some of the last digits and see if we can find those. For that, we're going to use a computer, though.
Alright.
All right, let's talk about how large it is. Actually, we'll use a computer